Hey guys, Matt from Damon Motorsports here, and today I wanted to showcase replacing the bushings in our engine mounts. Here we have our rear engine mount for the Mazda Speed 3 as well as Focus ST and RS. And for replacing these bushings, it's a relatively simple process. The tools you're going to need: a couple sockets, as well as some trim removal tools. If you have an arbor press, great. If you don't, a vise will suffice. You can also use, in a pinch, a hammer or even a flathead screwdriver. So for this one, we have our engine mount. As you can see, we have a relief cut. This is for the Focus ST. So what we're gonna do for that is we're gonna take a marker and just kind of mark exactly where that cut is. That way, when we put the new bushing in, we can align it up as it needs to be. So for this, first thing we're gonna wanna do is press this sleeve out. So here we have a socket that's just a little bit smaller than our sleeve here. Take this, set it up in our press, and then press that guy out. Now we have our sleeve removed. Next up is removing the bushing. So for this, you can generally push it out from the inside with just your fingers. If it's being a little stubborn, you'll take your plastic trim removal tool, start working it around the edge of the flange of the bushing until you're able to get that bushing out. As you can see here, we have our distinctive line. You can take our new bushing and line that up as it needs to be. Take our sleeve, then go ahead and press that in. So yeah, it's that simple to swap out the bushings in our engine mounts. So if you're looking to change things up from a race bushing to a street bushing, or maybe you're looking to improve performance, you want to go from a street to a race, you're able to do so. Next up, we have our bushing carrier here, which is used in a lot of our side mounts. So on the Mazda Speed 3, Mazda Speed 6, Focus ST, RS, Fiesta, etc., they all use this similar bushing carrier. Here we have one with our race bushings. First thing we're going to want to do is press out this sleeve. So you could do this in a vise. You know, you're just gonna need a couple sockets, one to act as a receiver, and then one you can use to press. Alternatively, if you really needed to, you could hammer this out if you don't have a vise. Here we're gonna use our little arbor press. All right, so now we've got our sleeve out. The next step is gonna be to get these bushings out. These are race bushings. These are a little bit harder to remove than our street ones. So the one thing you're gonna wanna do is take your plastic trim removal tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver, you're just gonna mar things. And we're just gonna take this, put it in between the carrier and the flange of the bushing, and just start twisting to kind of start prying this up. So as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of a gap here. We get our larger trim tool so I can really open up that gap. Now, once we've got it enough to where we can kind of get our fingers on it, we can start grabbing it and prying it out. For the other bushing, we can start prying it around the flange. Alternatively, you might be able to press it out from the inside with your hands and get that bushing out. Now, for replacing the bushings, the race ones, you're gonna need a press or a vise. Street ones, you can almost do by hand. So with these, we just kind of work them in as so. Pretty easy, huh? Next, we'll take our sleeve, use our press or vise or even a hammer, and then push that guy in. So yeah, that's basically it for swapping the bushings in our engine mounts at Damon Motorsports. We offer replacements for every single mount we make. So if you're looking to change things up, fine tune your ride, you're able to do so. Our replacements aren't that expensive either, so kind of fit for everybody's budget. Yeah, check it out for yourself at DamonMotorsports.com.